Hello everybody and welcome back to HotCuppaCrypto. My name is Jordan and today we have a exciting Ruby mine video for you guys because this is going to teach the basics of how to get set up on Ruby mine, because I had so many questions of people being so interested in this project, but none of you guys know how to buy Avax on Binance and then just on a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance and then just send it over to Ruby mine and basically deposit it into the contract and earn juicy rewards and then even withdraw it. So I'm just going to simply show you guys on this video, and I'm going to keep it nice and short and sweet, and anybody can easily understand and do this. It is literally so simple. First of all, as you guys can see, Ruby mine contract is going so strong here. It is unbelievable. It is just it's looking really successful in comparison to, you know, some of all of the other contracts. We've got baked beans, we've got all of the other ones, and as you can see, Ruby mine, it is now worth $1.7 million in value. Is locked in the contract, which is 22,299 Avax. So they were not kidding when they said that they were coming after the baked beans contract. It is crazy. As you can see here, you have a lot of people depositing and so forth onto the contract and becoming part of this contract. So it's pretty crazy. So it is working out really well. So basically, let's jump straight into this. No messing around, right? So before we go straight into this, we are just going to explain to you guys a couple of important points. There's been some common questions about Ruby Miner. So I recently saw that the developer did say that users are currently experiencing decreased daily rewards compared to their first days in Ruby mine. This is normal. This is a normal behavior of all these types of contracts. A normal behavior of the contract algorithm, and the decrease applies to all of us. Why did it decrease? The first days we had an insane growth and all factors were met for the algorithm to provide anyone an 8% ROI. Obviously this is not the case anymore since there is sell-offs happening and less users join the Ruby mine compared to the first day. So why did the algorithm do that? To ensure the contract sustainability and longevity, guys. It would never remain if it just didn't allow everyone to withdraw the maximum amount. So what it's doing is sustaining itself for a longer period of time, which is great, really. So what can I do to establish at least 8% ROI again? Just play at least 6 to 1. Very simple. It's the 6 to 1 ratio where you do compound for 6 days and then you withdraw on the 7th day, guys. You must not forget that. That is all you have to do. Remember, withdraw less until you can also withdraw less until there is a visible contract growth again. Referrals, keep that in mind that there is 12.5% bonus on each referral, so you can also try and get some referrals into the contract if you guys fancy building some referrals for your team as well. Compound, you get the 12% bonus also on each compound of your referred friend as well. So users who continuously show and invite others will easily compensate, decreasing return on investment over short and long, and even enjoy way more than 8% daily rewards. If you have time left, also that is basically what you have to do, guys, to keep it simple. So we're going to keep it short and simple. Now, how do you buy Avax and put it into this contract? So very simple, my friends. First of all, don't forget to go over to Ruby mine, follow them on Twitter. They have news and updates, so you want to be part of that there, and their Telegram group, amazing community. Get involved over there, and you can even ask the developer questions yourself. It's very easy, and get involved in the community. Have all your questions answered, and also on their Discord. So what you do is, let's say you're on Binance, you simply click up here, buy crypto, and you click with buy with credit or debit card. So all you have to do, guys, is create yourselves an account on Binance if you haven't already. It's pretty much the easiest thing ever, and it takes less than a second. And then you go to here, and then you pick the coin which you would like to buy. Very simple. So in this case, you just pick Avax, and then you see the currency which you would like to deposit into Avax. So let's just say you want to buy 5 Avax. So you click 5, and you can see here in your currency. For us, this is currently going to cost us 300 English pounds, right? So it says this costs 300 English pounds. So you just simply click this button and say yes and continue. Then you check out like any normal card payment on an online, on an online transaction. Next, you will see that up in the top corner there is a wallet, a button that says wallet and then overview. If you go to fiat and spot, which is basically your cryptocurrency wallet in Binance, you will see all the coins, all of your coins and all of your balances down here. Currently our balances are hidden for privacy, of course. So always protect your crypto, guys. You must always remain private in crypto. Keep yourself protected, keep yourself safe. This is just normal crypto 101, right? Keep yourself very protected. But you just go down in your wallet and you will see Avax here. As you guys can see, we have Avalanche, which is right here. And then you just go to, on the right hand side here, you can see there is a withdraw button. So you simply click withdraw. And then next you are taken to a page, and we are I'm just going to explain to you what is on that next page. We're not going to go onto it for privacy, but what you do, my friends, is that once you have clicked the withdraw Avax button here on the fiat and spot wallet page, it's very simple. You simply go to your MetaMask, ensure that you are on the Avax network. Now if you don't know how to connect to the Avax network, just go to the link in the description. It will be right there. There is this website called Chainlist. Here you can one-click add any network to your MetaMask effortlessly in less than 1 second. So I just add all of them and then bang, you have all the networks. So for example, I add all of the main ones. You know, I add Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, Phantom, Kronos, and Binance Smart Chain. That's what I add. But you can one-click add this to your wallet here. You just click connect wallet and then click add network. It's literally one button. So once that is then added to your MetaMask, you just click on your MetaMask wallet and then you click on the network switcher at the top and just ensure that you have selected Avalanche network so that you are connected to Avalanche. And then in Binance, so on the withdrawal page, what you do is inside of your MetaMask, when you are connected to the Avalanche network, you just copy to clipboard your account where it says in account 1 here. You just copy your address in your MetaMask wallet, right? So you might not be able to see it here on my screen, but it's very simple, guys. Just open your MetaMask wallet and copy your address right at the top. There's a one button click to copy that. And so once you click Avax withdraw, you paste your copy, you paste your wallet address, your Avalanche wallet address, MetaMask address in there. Then you select a Avalanche C chain. It must be Avalanche C chain as the network, and then you just simply enter the amount of Avax you would like to withdraw. So for example, you click 5 Avax and then click withdraw, and then you simply only have to go over the 2-factor authentication process, and then that will of course submit your withdrawal. And then in a few minutes, you will literally see the Avax appear in your MetaMask wallet. So then you come over to RubyMine, and then you all you have to do is deposit that Avax here into the RubyMine itself. And all you need to do is connect your wallet, which there is a connect wallet button in the top right corner. I can't show it to you here on the exact screen recording because it's simply, as you guys can see, it doesn't record my screen properly. And I've tried every setting here on OBS Studio and I don't know why that does it, but for some reason it's really annoying me, but it doesn't matter. Because all you guys can do is just click connect wallet, and that will connect your MetaMask into RubyMine. Remember, ensure you are on the Avalanche network on the network switcher on the top. You can switch back to the Binance Smart Chain or the Ethereum network or any other network whenever you want with the click of a button. In order to interact with RubyMine, you need to ensure that you are connected to the Avalanche network in your MetaMask wallet. And then, you will click connect wallet once you are on RubyMine, which is in the top right corner of the RubyMine website. And you will see this appear, the contract balance, how much Avax is in your wallet, and how many rubies, which probably would be 0 if you are first depositing. And all you have to do is click here, for example, 5 Avax that you would like to enter into the contract, or however much you wish. You click I have read the disclaimer, and then you must read the disclaimer, of course, guys, which is at the top of the website here. So do not forget to do that, because with everything in DeFi, you are always investing at your own risk. Nothing in this video is financial advice. It is just for educational purposes only and entertainment purposes. But then you just click hire miners, and then bang, you will see sometimes it takes a few seconds for the transaction to go through. You confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet, just click the confirm button. I always do an aggressive gas fee, but don't worry about that. That's just for DeFi pros or DeFi experts. So if you are more of an expert in DeFi and you would like your transaction just to be a little bit faster, then all you have to do, guys, is speed up that transaction. But if you're a beginner, don't even worry about that step. That is just a little added bonus. And then, like I said, just refresh this page. It helps to update this, and then what happens is then your rewards here will start building. So sometimes you might need to, if you've deposited a small amount, you might need to wait for a few minutes before you do begin to see your rewards, but they will slowly but surely start accumulating here. And the main thing is that here your rubies will update and you will see that you now have purchased your rubies. Rubies is the equivalent to beans on baked beans miner. So yeah, it's pretty simple really, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. You're now earning 8% interest on Avax every single day, but sometimes it's not always 8%, as the developer stated before. It is up to 8%, so just remember that. Yeah, pretty much simple. If you do want to learn the basics of RubyMine, what it is all about, and the instructions and everything you need to know, and how much we invested into this project and so forth, then all you have to do is watch our previous video. So the links, so go to the previous video on this channel, guys, if you want to watch that, and all the instructions is on there. I believe we made that video like last week. But just to say that the links to RubyMine will be in the description of this video, so all you have to do is go down there and click the links in the description in order to bring yourselves to RubyMine when you are ready to deposit into this contract. And thank you so much, guys, for supporting the channel using the referral link and subscribing to the channel and turning on the bell notifications here on HotCuppaCrypto. It is amazing, and that is why you guys are never missing projects like RubyMine as soon as they come out. So thank you so much for the amazing support. I hope you guys have enjoyed this very simple, quick and easy, sort of beginner's guide of how to get started on RubyMine. I hope that helped. Tried to keep it just basic and simple for you all. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And if you do have any suggestions for future projects, let me know in the section below. My name has been Jordan. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and my other channel, HotCuppaTV, you can. Links are in the description below. And once again, the link for RubyMine will be right in the description. All you have to do is click that link as well. And thank you so much for supporting the channel as always, my friends. And we are going to be compounding our Avax, because that is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm letting this Avax build up here, and then when it gets to 0.5 Avax, I'm going to go ahead and compound it. So that is my strategy, compounding very often, my friends. Don't forget the 6-to-1 strategy, and then you can withdraw on the 7th day. So yeah, have an amazing day, my friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here on HotCuppaCrypto.